When food is cooked and kept inside the cooler for days without opening, once the cooler is opened after a few days, the room that was smelling nice will begin to smell awful, and people won't be able to stay in the room because the smell of the spoiled food has made the air bad. Likewise, when you pack wet clothes in a closed room without opening the door and windows, the room will not smell nice because of the wet clothes. What happened in the room with the spoiled rice and wet clothes is called pollution. Pollution is the introduction of a contaminant into the natural environment by human activities, or pollutants, which are harmful substances that are toxic to nature. For instance, Fred's mom was frying plantain for Fred and then went to the room to fold her clothes. She forgot about the plantain until Fred reminded her about this plantain. When she got to the kitchen, everywhere was filled with smoke and she couldn't breathe or see clearly because the air had been polluted with smoke. In this case, we have what is called air pollution. Air pollution is the release of harmful substances into the atmosphere from man's daily activities. For example, smoke, gases, and solid. The same way plantain can either be cooked or fried is how we have different types of air pollutants. For example, dust particles, carbon monoxide, and sulfur dioxide. Just like the way the kitchen was filled with smoke, air pollution affects man by reduction in visibility, irritation of the eyes, dirting of the streets, and so on. When you put a bucket of water outside for hours without covering it, within those few hours, the water will be filled with dust and dirt, making it unfit to use. The dirt on the water is known as pollution. Water pollution is the process whereby harmful waste materials are deposited into water bodies, making it unfit for animals and human beings. Water can get polluted by crude oil spillage, refuse and waste, and industrial waste. This pollutant makes the water unfit for animals and man's usage, results in death of some organisms, loss of natural habitats, and so on. The same way the pollutant in the water above makes it unfit for use. In today's lesson, we have learned about the meaning of pollution. That is, the introduction of a contaminant into the natural environment by human activities. The pollutants, which are harmful substances, are toxic to nature. And we also learned about the types of pollution. See you in the next class. Thank you.